Welcome back to Schools Challenge Quiz Season 2021. It's the second match in round one and the scores have changed a bit. Charlemont high on 23, Winston Jones high on 11. Charlemont lost a point for the question, what is the name for the tubes that connect the kidneys to the bladder? And we didn't get the plural, ureters. And the judges have also agreed to accept goodbye for the Spanish question, hasta luego. So that's +1, -1. And Winston Jones loses a point, having left off the Magadag, turn round by 2. And just for clarification, the question, who was Prime Minister of Jamaica in 1989, it could have been as well Michael Manley, given that it was an election year, and both Mr. Manley and Mr. Siaga were Prime Minister in that period. All right, so now we get into our buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer. Wait to be identified before giving your answer. 2 points are going to be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if your answer is incorrect. The teams, please note, it's time for you to gear up with your quick fingers, your quick thinking, and some fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning this championship. Let's have 4 minutes on the clock, please. First question comes from Bible knowledge. Which disciple brought the boy with 5 loaves and 2 fishes to Jesus? Andrew. Biology. In which organ of the human body are the calyces, which are cup-shaped structures where urine collection begins? That would be Charlemont.
Kidney.
Yes. And English language. What does the prefix infra mean, as in the word infraspecific? Beneath or below? International affairs. Look at the screen. Identify this person. Charlemont?
Donald Trump. Donald Trump.
Yes. U.S. President. And what is this is chemistry. What is the general formula for hydrocarbons?
Hydrocarbons.
CnH2n plus 2. Music. Listen to this clip. Identify the singer.
Isn't it lovely?
That would be Winston Jones.
Billie Eilish. Billie Eilish.
Correct. General knowledge. In which English city could you visit the International Slavery Museum and the Walker Art Gallery? Liverpool. Spanish. What does the verb suplicar mean in English?
Suplicar. To supplicate.
To beg, plead, or ask. Geography. What is the name for a severe snowstorm with high winds and low visibility? Charlemont.
Blizzard.
Correct. Theatre and cinema. Look at the screen. Identify this individual. Ruth Ho-Shing, local actress. Information technology. Douyin is the name of a Chinese video sharing social networking service. What is its more popular name? TikTok. History. Who is the only U.S. president to serve 2 non-consecutive terms in office? Grover Cleveland. Mathematics. 3 pens and 4 rulers cost a total of $24. Twice the number of pens and half the number of rulers cost $30. What is the cost of a pen? $4. And physics. What is the SI-derived unit of dose equivalent? Sievert. And sports. Look at the screen. Identify this individual. Charlemont?
Mike Tyson.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. What building is featured on the back of the Jamaican $1,000 note? Jamaica House. French. Give the English name for the food known as la pomme de terre.
Apple. Apple tree.
Ground apple.
Potato. Literature. Who is the author of the novel The Heart Does Not Bend? Makeda Silvera. And art. The art form Orphism is the sensual and poetic variant of which other major art movement? Cubism. Bible knowledge. Which high priest gave advice to Samuel when he was a young boy? Charlemont.
Eli.
Eli.
Correct. Biology. What is... There goes the bell. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. The scores are Charlemont on 33 and Winston Jones on 13. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.